Hey guys, it's me Ryan. Welcome back to another video. So for today, we're going to do the Gandang Pulbo at Liptint lang look. So if you're interested, keep on watching. First step is the moisturizer. I'm using the Nivea Soft Moisturizing Cream, but any moisturizer will do. So I'm taking a small amount and I'm putting it all over my face. Remember, before moisturizer or before you put any products on your face, make sure that you've cleansed your face thoroughly. Pat your face and then proceed to the next step, which is the sunscreen. Now the sunscreen is important so that your skin is protected from the sun's harmful UV rays. So take a small amount and apply it all over your face gently. Huwag masyadong harsh kasi nag-age yung skin mo pag masyadong harsh yung pagkakalagay mo. And also don't forget the neck. Third step, conceal those dark circles. Let's admit it, not everyone can rock the panda eyes look, so let's conceal those dark circles away. Here I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Light, and I'm using it sparingly, like little dots only, on the places where I want to conceal and highlight. And taking my middle and ring finger, I'm going to blend those concealer away. Set the places that you've put concealer with the powder. Here I'm using the Nichido pressed powder in the shade Tan. Yes, that's the shade. So taking a fluffy brush, I'm just setting the places where I've put concealer. Now why is this important? This is to prevent your concealer from slipping away throughout the day. And also I've put the powder all over my face just so it can control the oils that will show up later on. Next step, kilay on fleek, which means the eyebrows. So here I am taking my Milani Dipbrow Pomade in the shade Dark Brown. So as seen in my previous videos, I usually do my eyebrows like this. Brush the hairs down and then fill it in. Now I think this pomade is a perfect dupe for the expensive Anastasia Dipbrow Pomade. So if you're looking for a cheaper alternative, and you want to try that kind of product, and I suggest you get this. It's so creamy and it's not waxy at all, so I think it is perfect for beginners too. Brows are done, and now we're going to set our brow hairs in place using the Nichido brow gel, and it's in a clear form, but here it's dirty, so I think I need to replace it. This is just to make sure that our brow hairs are not all over the place. Next is the star of the show, the lip tint. Here I'm using the Ever Vilena Advanced Lip and Cheek Stain in the shade Perfect Plum. Now, what's unique about this product is that it is in gel form, not the usual water-based form lip tints, no. And it is not as sticky and drying on the cheeks, but I think it's a little bit sticky when you put it on the lips. Nevertheless, I like it, and it is very natural. It is a little bit dark on the tube, but when blended on the skin, it is very perfect for that drunk blush effect, as seen in this video. So I'm just putting dots all over the center of the face and then pat it dry. Blend it perfectly so that you can see it mixing on your skin. I'm also putting it on my lips just so our lips will have a little bit color on them and I won't look as dead as I was before. As you can see, it makes my lips juicy and glossy, which is the kind of look perfect for natural looks. Now you can stop here, but this is just additional steps just so we can prolong the makeup on our face throughout the day. I'm taking a powder blush in a light peach shade and just setting those lip tint on my cheeks. Kasi pag yung lip tint lang, pwede siyang mahulas agad by the middle of the day, so we don't want that. And I'm just taking a fluffy brush to blend all of the products on my face together. For fun and flirty lashes, take a curler and just curl your lashes. You can choose to put mascara on or not depending on your preference, but here I'm showing you the most natural look as possible, so we're skipping the mascara. I'm just curling the lashes so there will be an extra effect to the eyes. And we're done! That's it. I hope you like this video, and if you choose to recreate these, don't forget to tag me on social media accounts. And I hope you enjoyed it and that you learned something from it today. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you soon on my next video. Bye! Mwah.